Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from series chapter which is referred from Cambridge Pure Mathematics 1 May-June 2020 paper. The sum of the first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression is 117. The sum of the next 4 terms is 91. Find the first term and the common difference of the progression. So let us understand the question by writing the given data first. So here it is given that the sum of first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression. So here n represents the number of terms, that is the first 9 terms, and the sum of the first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression is given as 117. So we are representing the sum of first 9 terms as s is equal to 117. Now the sum of the next 4 terms is given as 91, which means there are total of 13 terms, that is the first 9 terms plus the next 4 terms. So we are going to get total 13 terms. So here it is given that sum of the next 4 terms as 91. So here we have written the sum of the first 13 terms is going to be the sum of first 9 terms plus the sum of the next 4 terms. So this is going to be equal to sum of first 9 terms as 117 plus sum of the next 4 terms, which is 91. So the sum of first 13 terms we get here is 117 plus 91, giving us 208. Now once we have got the sum of the first 9 terms and sum of the first 13 terms, let us make use of the formula for finding the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression to find out the first term and common difference as it is asked in the question. So the formula to find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by the formula Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where n represents the number of terms, a represents the first term of the sequence, and d represents the common difference. Now since here we have the sum of 9 terms and sum of 13 terms, let us use the data to find out the common difference and the first term, starting with sum of 9 terms. So sum of 9 terms is equal to, now in place of n we are going to replace 9. So 9 over 2 times 2a plus 9 minus 1 times d. Now sum of 9 terms they have given here is 117 is equal to 9 over 2 times 2a plus 9 minus 1 gives us 8d. Now let us take this fraction on the other side of equal to sign. So we get 117 times, now this fraction flips upside down, giving us 2 over 9 is equal to 2a plus 8d. Now the left hand side is going to give us the value as 26 is equal to 2a plus 8d. Now we are going to divide each term of this equation by 2. So 2a divided by 2 gives us a plus 8d divided by 2 gives us 4d is equal to 26 divided by 2 gives us 13. Now here I have tried to just simplify the equation. So let us consider this equation as equation 1. Now on a similar basis, let us use the information we have got here, that is sum of first 13 terms. So using the same formula we have written sum of the first 13 terms is equal to, now n becomes 13, so 13 over 2 times 2a plus 13 minus 1 times d. Now sum of 13 terms we have got here is 208. So 208 is equal to 13 over 2 times 2a plus 13 minus 1 gives us 12 times d. Now let us take this fraction on the other side of equal to sign. So we get 208 times 2 over 13 is equal to 2a plus 12d. Now the left hand side simplifies as 32 is equal to 2a plus 12d. Now here again I have divided all the terms of this equation by 2. So 2a divided by 2 gives us a plus 12d divided by 2 gives us 60 is equal to 32 divided by 2 gives us 16. Now let us consider this as equation 2. Now once we have got equation 1 and equation 2, we are going to perform the simultaneous equations using elimination method to find out the value of the first term of the sequence, that is a, and the common difference d. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now let us change the signs of the second equation. So plus a becomes minus a, plus 60 becomes minus 60, and plus 16 becomes minus 16. So plus a and minus a, they will add up to give us 0. And plus 4d and minus 60 is going to give us minus 2d, and 13 minus 16 is going to give us negative 3. So this is going to give us the common difference d as negative 3 divided by negative 2. The negative signs will cancel out each other. giving us 3 over 2 or 1.5. Now once we have got the common difference d, let us use equation 1 or equation 2 to find out the first term of the sequence. I am going to use the first equation over here. So in the first equation we have written a plus 4 times, now in place of common difference we have written 3 over 2 or 1.5 is equal to 13. Now taking 4 times 1.5, which is 6 on the other side of equal to sign, we get a is equal to 13 minus 6 or the value of the first term of the sequence as 7. Now to find out the value of common difference and the first term of the sequence, we can also get the values using the calculator. So here let us take the first equation for simultaneous equations. So here the coefficient of a is 1, coefficient of b is going to be 4 and the constant is 13. So here we are going to put 1 is equal to 4 is equal to 13. So this is for the first equation. Now for the second equation we have a as 1, b as 6 and the constant c as 16. So 1 is equal to 6 is equal to 16. So this is going to give us the value of the first term of the sequence as 7 and the common difference as 3 over 2. Or we can write it as decimals, that is 1.5. So if you want to use the elimination method, you can use this, or using a calculator also you can get the direct values for the first term of the sequence and the common difference. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.